this in case it just like jerks that way or that way?
Hey guys, just got this air compressor. We just rigged up this 120 thing, General Electric thing for it. The air compressor had a 120.
Shit, that builds up air quick.
I can hear it.
Spinning it backwards.
Hey, watch this.
Hold on. We should do it again and let the umbrella go.
That motor's probably like, I want it. And this is
Tell me when you let go.
This is a 5-horse.
Tell me when you're going to, though.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it held it up for a little bit.
It's not raining no more.
Oh, I can see it.
Just see your little hook up here.
It kind of looks like it made it go faster.
Not really. I gotta get a tighter belt, bro.
Sounds like you're sitting on the toilet. Oh!
It's like, fuck. I need to get this one. It's gonna be a permanent cord.
Do you still have our lawnmower blades though?
We have one. That one's gonna be my mower blade machete.
No, it wasn't gonna be mine. It was gonna be your machete.
Yeah, this is what happened to this thing by carrying that on it.
You want me to clean those up for
A lot of it. It was partially. Yeah, we went scrapping today with that red tractor that was up there. We took it and flipped it off of the truck when we went scrapping. It was fun.
Okay, now I gotta get 2 wrenches to get it around here and around here.
2 wrenches.
We should fill up some tire that we find.
Go in my toolbox.
Oh wait.
No, go in my toolbox and grab a couple of
Oh.
that you think would fit. Oh god. Well, you guys know, Dylan's horny.
Yeah.
He's a horny duck.
Don't know if you can tell, but I screwed up my knife. We did make a copper knife or sword or whatever, machete whatever you want to call it. If I can ever catch the thing. See, it still needs some work, but yeah,
I'm gonna smoothen it out today.
yeah. Got Redneck Fish Finder. Dynamite.
How'd this do? How'd Vice Grip do?
Are those the ones missing the springs?
Your small one? What?
Is that the? I think those are the vice grips that are missing the spring. The spring. These are the small ones.
That was so me. I found that.
Yeah, we hooked that little electric motor that's strapped down on that thing to this. The rocks we put rocks in. We threw a rock under there. Sorry about stuttering, but and the rock went all the way in the woods.
Shooting out for some reason. It was funny. Okay, come here, Dilden.
Dilden.
Hold this, Dilden.
There's your new name, Dylan. Dilden.
Yeah, Dilden.
Dorian.
I'm gonna move the sharpener, knife sharpener, whatever you want to call it. Spit zone.
Hey, bro.
Piece of crap bike.
Show me
Put
where
this in the top of my toolbox.
Show me where your lawnmower blade's at. Check this on bitch out.
We didn't heat it up, but we haven't.
Where's that?
Are you seriously blind?
Yes, I'm that blind. Oh.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like the rust.
It's not even hot.
Yeah, but still, makes you look professional.
He had to pick it up with the pliers, even though it's been all night since the fire.
That
What?
rust, the rust came off. See?
Wow.
See, this is what happens when you forge. You can melt the rust right off. Oh, I wonder if
Don't. Just. Yeah, this is a stupid trailer.
And that's starting to show a little bit of copper up at the top. It's nice.
Yeah, me and Mud and stuff, after we went scrapping, we got a new spark plug for the Jacobson. Threw it on there, got a spark plug tool, and we had to cut the old fuel filter off because we couldn't get one side off, but we got a clear fuel filter. You want me to turn the gas off?
Yeah, it's going up over 20 psi.
Do you want me to turn the gas off? Got a clear one. Sorry about the shine. I'll have to get it some other time. Yeah, we were using that air nozzle for a hose for a while. So yeah.
Like a power hose.
Sounds like it's slow.
Clean it off.
It is slowing down, I think.
It's like water, air.
Well, this ain't. It sounds like that is. Then again, the belt is loose, so.
It still sounds like it's slowing down.
Stop. Let's go a bit.
We should take Bob's vice grips back. We'll take him back when he gets home, though. He just.
See if it holds there. I hear no leaks.
Want me to?
Not yet.
It's at 20 psi right now.
Yeah, see, start off there in the
Still building.
If we get over 40 psi, I'll be excited. That's how much it takes to run my air tools. 40 psi.
So you can actually use that little air grinder. For some reason, my hand has a sharp pain right in the middle of it.
Go see how much air.
I'm gonna drain the tank real quick.
You can drain it.
Yeah, I'm just saying. Surprisingly, it has a good amount of air in it. Nope, they don't need air.
They don't.
Oh.
Hey, don't go out here.
I'm gonna face.
Alright.
I have a pain in my hand. Oh God.
Bottom to the first one.
No, the first one got scrapped.
Well, yeah, I'm talking about the bigger.
Yeah, wherever the heck your air grinder is.
Beach.
Oh, we got the bottom. There we go.
There we go. I'm like, no.
Ow. Why does my hand hurt so bad? Just started hurting.
Probably growth pain. Is that your grinder?
What growth pain?
Oh.
Wrong way. Sorry about that, guys.
Let's try grinding this.
No, I gotta see if it will run it first.
If it runs it, we should try and grind the excess metal off our tiny anvil.
Try to clean it off.
Yeah.
You know, I got a bench grinder.
Yeah, can we get that out?
It's already out.
Oh. Let's go get. Hey.
Not yet.
Not yet.
I still got the air compressor.
No, it's not over 40.
Yeah, because it's losing air.
Yeah.
It wasn't over 40 yet.
That's why you empty the air tank out and plug it back in and then run it.
That is amazing.
Why is it?
Why this little half horse even runs it? Versus this big 5-horse.
5-horse
The belt
really got in my way.
The belts slip and move. That's what it is. That's why it won't start up. That's why it's not starting up right. It's this belt slipping real badly. Yeah, see, I shouldn't be able to do that. Anyone knows that. You should be able to do that with the belt. Grab another piece of wood. I'll try lifting it up.
Don't mind him. Whatever. Really?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever heard of a duck? That's not the one that you forge, just to let you know that. Straight up and down. I don't know. I'm just bored. Is that too big?
We could probably go up that size, but yeah, just take it. We'll try it. If not, we got this one. Don't judge us.
Don't judge us.
Who judges who?
We just live in a redneck neighborhood.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's motor up. Let's motor up. Depends on what height it goes up to.
Oh my God, it's warm.
Yeah, duh, it's been running.
Well then.
Oh yeah. Okay. That's all.
That should be.
Alright, go back up. Alright, go back down. You can't like tilt it like that or else it fucks it up. Alright.
Yeah. Oh, it's tighter.
Yeah, I know. No shit.
No. Now we gotta tighten it back down.
Oh yeah, now it's stuck. Oh yeah, it's stuck now.
Hold on. Which way does it go? Righty tighty like this?
China.
I'm bored.
Let's let it all out.
Let what all out?
Feel that?
Hey, Dipstick. Let what all out?
Air, not sperm. Oh yeah, that's way tighter though.
Think we did it?
We should.
You might want to put the other bungee cords on so it doesn't. Because if you only have that one, it will break that strap.
So don't even try that.
Meanie.
Yes.
I don't know. I'm smarter than you think I am.
Yeah, because you're learning just like
Smarter than a 4th grader.
Are you smarter than a 5th grader? Nope.
Nope. Just 4th
Nope.
grader.
Nope. Not even a 3rd. Not even 3rd.
Just 4th.
Just 4th. It's like a someone who just got out of college for
I just made liquid air.
my 5th grade science teacher. She went to college for 12 years along with the 12 years of school that you have to go through unless you drop out. But so she went for 24 years. It's like someone who went through school like that wasn't smarter than a 1st grader. That would be weird.
We'll wait on this one until I get all the main connections together. Yeah, come on.
I think this is gonna be my longest video so far.
Probably. You can only do it for 15 minutes. I'll have to show you how to make them.
All right. If you can only make 15 minutes, it's almost 15 minutes.
Well, you better stop it.
All right, guys, this is it for now. I'll make an update. Talk to you guys later.